On a more serious point now, it's been brought to my attention that some people don't really appreciate reggae music coming from different parts of the world and these kind of things, you know what I mean? It's been brought to my attention that some people feel that reggae music is Jamaican and should stay Jamaican. What are your views on that?
One time, back in the 80s, 90s, if you now come out a yard, you don't get that respect. Now, the thing global now, social media and technology and everything. Anywhere you do and sing reggae now, as long as it's good, it's short. It's the only thing with the yard at the factory. And one time when a song come up from Jamaica, some people that get more respect and say yard. But that is just a Jamaican community. The bigger massive will listen to reggae, then don't care where it's coming from as long as it's reggae.
As long as it's good reggae music and the message is the right message.
Right, so I don't limit myself. Because one time I tell you if I bust a yard, Brad not accept it. But that was one time for real. But Shaggy never bust a yard. Sean Paul never bust a yard. Enough artists never bust a yard. But the world accept them. So it's just a change of time and you have to just know, say, have an open mind. Because when song good, it's good enough. The guy from this island we sing a song about plant marijuana. That song, big song. You never heard it come from. Helicopters, but something about helicopter, marijuana.
I know the song.
I never heard. You know, so I just say thing there, Richie. So I just music. And music run no wire fence.
So you haven't got a problem with music coming from different parts of the world? No,
man. I say, man, music is music. Music is life. And music run no wire fence. Music alone shall live. So no matter.
And would you go as far to say as Europe is supporting reggae music in a big way right now?
Yep. Europe, to me, Europe a lead. Did you know that them say France is a reggae capital right now? I'm ashamed.
We used to be the reggae capital here in Birmingham. Come on, Birmingham, what's going on?
I am ashamed because our people, they are just playing the top 10. They are just playing the top 10. And the music bigger than that. Then say France is a reggae capital right now. France have a lot of live shows every week, actually every night, every month. They bring reggae artists.
And you also think, Mikeylous, we've come to realise as well, it's a lot of the roots artists that are travelling Europe and doing big things more so than the dancehall artists.
And the wickedest thing is if you put a roots artist at a club somewhere in Europe and put a dancehall artist next to him, the roots artist I go flap him show. Because them people ain't go for the authentic real thing, reggae. So the people them have to wake up. When you stop limiting yourself, stop look anything like a top 10 and them thing there. Cause the music bigger. Cause you have artists, me know foundation artists from back them time that you know. I sing to them a record new song, you not hear it. Because most of this track them a go for the hype. Yeah. Them now play them. But I'm surprised when I go Europe, me them a play them.
Well, even when he was just here chilling before we even started talking this afternoon, you heard me playing some artists that don't really get played. Even artists like Nature and some of them younger artists that are coming through. There's a lot of DJs that are not giving them much support.
But London, I mean, you know, Nature and them thing. And Nature go and go to Jamaica, but them are most of them man are run for the hype.
You know what? You know what I say? It's easy to play hits, but it ain't that easy to make the hits.
Pam, pam, pam.
Real. I'm with that.
How you do me think I'll give thanks and praise to the Most High, the Almighty. Mikeylous and Jamaican alongside DJ Tubet Italian. Yeah. DJ.
Original DJ Tubet, that's gonna be Kikuma.
Yo, me tell them. Every morning as me rise, me have to praise Jah. Before me touch the road. That one, yeah. Go. How you do me think I'll give thanks and praise to the Most High, the Almighty. Mikeylous and
Crazy.
DJ Tubet Italian.
Jamaica and Italy link up.
Original
DJ Tubet. Big up.
Yo, me tell them. Every morning as me rise, me have to praise Jah. Before me touch the road, take out my Bible and read up two scripture. Before me touch the road, me have to make sure me reason with the Father. Before me touch the road, I know me weapon, me no left in the way round, yeah. Anytime me on the road, Jah him a me guide and me protector. Him a protect me from all of these dangers. Me surrounded by a whole heap of stranger. On the battlefield you a feel bad like Lord Ranger. Them crucify just a sell him for 30 pieces of silver. Sell out Jarvis and Bob in a Jamaica. Kill Malcolm X and Martin Luther. So me put my life in the hands of the Father. Every morning as me rise, me have to praise Jah. Before me touch the road, take out my Bible and read up two scripture.
è così grande che mi nebra fino a perdere il respiro. Quella che ascolta, piange e sorride, vastità che ammiro. Che sia donna nera, musica vera, poi della sera festa che dura fino al mattino. Fare l'amore fino, fare casino, l'applauso di chi è vicino al silenzio di un ritiro. Primavera che nasce, bellezza a cui mi ispiro. Sete che non si placca, vale più di un zaffiro. Una stella che non è sole, brilla con altre vicino. Quindi 1000 strade per un unico cammino.
Every morning as me rise, me have to praise Jah. Before me touch the road, take out me Bible and read up to scripture. Before me touch the road, me have to make sure me reason with the Father. Before me touch the road, I got me weapon, me no left in nowhere round, yeah. Anytime me on the road, some call up panja in a them times of trouble. When things did a run and them pot did a bubble. Now them buck them two and drop in a the puddle. Never call up panja, fi work some miracle.
Gärna che ti entra per cur, prenditi e bielece. Non ti chiatti sta al pantan le font dell'impirece. Scritture che mi fanno di ispirazione tipo
Crazy link up.
Preghiere che ne fanno
Jamaica and Italy.
Straight.
Every morning as me rise, me have to praise Jah.
And you know one question I have to ask you. I have to ask you because I don't know no Italian. Yeah. What is DJ Tubet actually saying?
Well, we are singing about Jah, praise Jah,
See.
and basically I do theme part in a theme language, you know. Me know the lyrics, me don't get the translation, but me don't remember half it right now, but him basically I praise the Almighty like the same. Yes, I say. Big up yourself, DJ Tubet. Think slap way, shell way.
And you know what? We're not going to hold it against him or anybody from Italy that beat England on the weekend, but that's how it goes
football. The ball around, you know. The ball around, don't. So anybody can, everybody are going to be a winner, you know. So
serious? Who are you backing in the World Cup?
You know, honestly, me just go with any team I see I win, me work with them.
Just go on the winning team.
Any team I see I win, we just roll with them. I just everything, we just watch it. I just enjoyment for me. Some people take it personal and fight and war.
Serious?
No, me not them something. Me just work with the team and me say, I like that team there. Even if I lose, me work with them. Cause what day I work with the losing team, you know. I'm like a grandson. I said to me, say, why are you going to be losing team? I say because I'm not a organist.
You're loyal.
Yes, loyal to royalty, don't.
For real. Well, it's all good, but I hear in Jamaica now that all the little youths are out there selling flags and, you know, really getting behind the World Cup.
Yeah, man. No, it's a Jamaica. When World Cup time, man, Jamaica turn up, man. Turn up. I pay vibes. Yeah, man. Real
and
thing,
most of them are saying Brazil. Most Jamaicans are saying
everybody
Brazil.
has said Brazil.
Or Argentina.
That's why I was in Brazil and so one name they play. Me never go in Brazil. Cause it's not go nice. If everybody go Brazil, it's not nice. Somebody have to play pose inside. Somebody's going next team. You see it?
For real.
Yeah, that's the thing there. Jamaica, a land I love.
Serious. Maybe one day we'll see Jamaica in the World Cup again.
I tell you, 98 was the last time we want to see them back again, you know?
For real. Okay, this next track we're going to play is on a familiar rhythm. Everybody will know the rhythm.